Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to use Oberlo with Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm going to show you how to use Oberlo to import a product from AliExpress to Shopify. So open a new tab and open web store and search here Oberlo and open this Oberlo extension and click on add to Chrome, add extension. So the extension has been added and now we need to sign in on Oberlo website, or if you don't have any account then you can sign up by clicking here. So enter here your email address and give a password and click on join Oberlo free. So here you can see I've successfully created an account here, and now we need to create or connect a Shopify store. So for that, click here and now enter here your Shopify store URL. So I'm going to opening my Shopify store and copying my URL and pasting it here and click on connect my store and now click on install app. Import products to Shopify in status, select active and click on save settings. Okay, now open AliExpress and now open that particular product you want to import to your Shopify store. So hover over on the product that you want to import to your Shopify store and you will get this option here, add to Oberlo. So click on add to Oberlo. So here you can see the product has been imported. Now click on open import list. So here you can see the product has been imported here, and now we need to import the product to our store. So for that, click on import to store, select active or you can select draft and click on import as active. So here you can see the product has been imported. Now I'm going to my Shopify product section and here is the product I just added here. I'm going to opening this product. So here you can see I've successfully added the product to my store through Oberlo app. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.